I'm Glenn Chucklingo, the regional manager for the #1 independent dealer in the Lehigh Valley. We have 5 locations that sell quality pre-owned vehicles at wholesale prices. 4 of our 5 dealerships are located in Pennsylvania. Our very first location, Star Auto Mall, is located on Route 191 in Bethlehem next to Applebee's. Our second location is Taj Auto Mall, exactly 1 mile north of Star Auto Mall on Route 191 towards Nazareth. Our third location is Penn Auto Group in Allentown, Pennsylvania, right on Hanover Ave, not far from Airport Road South. Our fourth location is Star Auto Mall 512, located in Bethlehem off of Route 22 on Center Street, which is also called Route 512. The fifth and newest dealership is Star Auto Mall, New Jersey, located in Phillipsburg, right over the Pennsylvania-New Jersey border. We have access to over 1,500 vehicles that can be seen right on our website at starautomall.org. The website has our address and directions to all our locations. We have some of the best professionals in the business that will do whatever it takes to get you into your next vehicle. We also have service and collision. Check out our website at starautomall.org to see all the vehicles and what upcoming specials we have to offer. We're looking forward to seeing you join the Star Automall family.